Hello students, so we have already completed chapter friction. All concepts of the chapter friction we have already discussed, and you have already finished all the assignments of that concepts. Now we will start exercises. Now first question, fill in the blanks. So first question is, friction opposes the dash between the surfaces in contact with each other. You will know, suppose this is an object, okay, and you are applying a force F on that object, so it will move, but this surface resists the motion of that object, so it is applied a force in the opposite direction. This is called friction force. This is called friction force. This external force wants to move that object, but this friction force wants to oppose the motion of the object. So friction opposes the motion of the object. Friction opposes the motion of the object. So friction opposes the motion between the surfaces in contact with each other. Here two surfaces, this object surface and this surface are contact to each other like this, and you are applying a force, and friction are in opposite direction. So friction opposes the motion between the surfaces in contact with each other. So you will put the answer here, motion. Next question, friction depends on the fill in the blanks of surfaces. See, if surface is smooth, friction is less, and if there is rough surface, friction is more. So it depends on the nature of surface. Nature of surfaces, whether it is rough or smooth. Friction produces, yes, when there is friction between the two bodies, then it produces the heat. It produces the heat. If you are pressing this, pushing this object in that surface, then it produces the heat. Sprinkling of powder on the carom board. Why are you sprinkling the powder on the carom board? Because for less friction. So here answer is decreasing friction. For decreasing friction. Decreases friction. So powder will decrease the friction in carom board. Now last, sliding friction is dash then the static friction. Yes, sliding friction less the friction is less than the static friction, because you are sliding an object on the surface, so it is the less friction. Understand? Next question, 4 children were asked to arrange forces due to rolling, static and sliding frictions in a decreasing order. Their arrangements are given below. Choose the correct arrangement. So first option is rolling, static, sliding. Second, rolling, sliding, static. C, static, sliding, rolling. Sliding, static, rolling. So decreasing order. You have discussed in previous assignments, you have seen that rolling friction is less than sliding friction, and sliding friction is less than static friction. So this is the decreasing order. Static greater than sliding, स्टैटिक के अंदर ज़्यादा फ्रिक्शन होगा स्लाइडिंग से, एंड स्लाइडिंग और स्टैटिक ग्रेटर देन रोलिंग. You will easily roll of an object and you are easily slide of an object. मीन्स अगर ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, ठीक है, अगर मैं इसमें टायर लगा दूं, स्लाइड करूं इसको या रोल करूं, तो वो इजीली हो जाएगा. दैट्स वाई डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर इज स्टैटिक, स्लाइडिंग एंड रोलिंग. डिक्रीजिंग मीन्स घटते हुए. Okay, so static, sliding and rolling is the answer. Third question. Alida runs her toy car on dry marble floor, wet marble floor, newspaper and towel spread on the floor. The force of friction acting on the car on different surfaces in increasing order will be. Yes. So Alida wants to move her car on these type of surfaces. Now the force of friction acting on the car on different surfaces increasing order. So increasing order means बढ़ते हुए क्रम में, increasing. So if Alida wants to move her car on towel, then there is more friction, more opposing the motion of the car. And if in newspaper, then newspaper oppose the car less than the towel. Dry surface of the marble floor provides less friction and wet provides less friction than dry car. So this is the increasing order, and you will see that increasing order like this. I will show you how the increasing order works here. See, wet marble floor provides less friction. Wet marble floor provides less friction than the dry marble floor, and it is also provide less friction than newspaper and less friction than towel. So this is the increasing order, understand, and this is the decreasing order. But here question is asking to you increasing order, this is the increasing order, so answer is A. Now fourth question. Suppose your writing desk is tilted a little like this. Tilted means like this. So tilted a little, a book kept on it starts sliding down. So tilted means this type, this direction, understand, this is the tilted. So if your writing desk is tilted a little, a book kept on it starts sliding down. Show the direction of frictional force acting on it. So when there is tilt the surface of your desk, the book which is putting on that desk is sliding down. So this is the direction of motion of the book, and frictional force are opposite the direction of the motion in upward direction. So frictional force acts between the book and surface of the desk and opposite to the direction of its motion in upward direction. Okay, direction of frictional force is opposite to the direction of the motion and upward direction. So that's all for today's class. We will solve further question in next class. So thank you.